So it's an open house at one of the more amazing locations right on top of Los Naranjos Golf Club. And this lovely villa has so much to offer, including a little bit of golfing on the property. I'll show you. In my opinion, I love this house. It's not only a house, it's a home. It's so much detail and it makes me want to sit down and stay. I don't want to leave, and it takes lots of love to put together a home where you really feel like you can enjoy everything that has been put together and presented.